Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an AI infrastructure with Microsoft Azure step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Microsoft Azure account. If you don't have an account, you can create a free one on the Azure website. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure portal. From the portal, locate the Create a Resource button in the upper left corner. Click on it to access the Azure Marketplace. In the search bar, type Machine Learning to find the relevant services. Select Machine Learning from the list of options. Click on the Create button to start setting up your machine learning workspace. Fill in the required fields for the workspace name, subscription, and resource group. Choose a region that is closest to your target users for optimal performance. Review the pricing tier options and select one that fits your budget. Once all fields are completed, click Review plus Create. After validation, click the Create button to deploy your workspace. Next, set up your storage account by going back to the Azure portal. In the portal, click on Create a Resource again. Search for and select Storage Account. Fill in the necessary details like name, region, and performance options. Make sure to select a redundancy option that suits your data needs. Click Review plus Create and then Create after validation. Once your storage account is ready, go to the machine learning workspace you created earlier. In the workspace, look for the Datasets option on the left panel. Here, you can create a new dataset by clicking on the plus Create button. Upload your data files from your local machine or connect to an external source. After your dataset is ready, navigate to the Notebooks section. Launch a new notebook to start coding your AI model. Select the programming language of your choice, such as Python. Begin by importing necessary libraries such as Azure SDK and Scikit-learn. Create your machine learning model using the dataset you've prepared. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.